Hello, thank you very much for joining me again. I have Google Pixel 6a which has a broken screen, and I would say this is one of the easiest repair we will do. So let's lift the screen from the body. No need to even heat up because it has hinges down there, although the plastic hinges, but it will it's very intact. It has a little bit glue around the screen, but it will not give you any trouble while you're lifting up. So be careful, lift up, because it will has no connector other than the one connector which is goes to the main motherboard. So after this, just you need this screwdriver. I think it's a star, it's called a star. So just remove those things after taking out those after taking out this screw. Remove this metal plate. You have to little bit push from the one side, and then you can easily take it out. So after removing this thing, repair is very easy. So just disconnect this connector from the motherboard using any plastic tool. Do not use any metal thing, because you don't know the phone is on or not. Sometime with the vibration you will able to find this phone is working, but sometimes not. So this is a Pixel 6a. I got the refurbished screen, so let's open it, and you'll find kind of same screen, of course, with the one connector. So it's very easy repair. So let's take out from the box and remove the packing, and after removing the packing, let's connect this connector to the motherboard and find out what's the result. So here is a metal piece. It will click on it, and after this, just put the screw. Here is the only one and only screw in this repair. That's nice, by the way. So it's turning on, which means the screen is working. It shares the Google while it's booting up. So now it's booting up. So just put it this one to make sure it's it was booting, so it was not responding at that time, but I can see the touch is properly working. All buttons are working. So let's put this screen to the body, and you'll find a couple of hinges down there and couple of on the sides. So just click, and you can see it's very easy. If you like that video, that was one of the easiest repair. So if you like that video, thumbs up and share with your friend. And if you want me to fix any kind of phone, just comment below. I will try to do it for you. See you in the next video shortly. Thank you very much for joining me.